Hello, today we're gonna make some donut hole, like a small round donut. We're gonna make ricotta cheese donut, the small round donut. So what I do right now is I'm gonna make just 1 cup of this flour, that 1 cup right there. I had half cup of cornstarch. I will add baking powder, about half teaspoon, and a little bit of salt. And I'll stir them together. Okay, we make a hole in here. We put the egg, 2 eggs, beaten in the middle, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 big tablespoons like this of yogurt. And then we're gonna put 2 big tablespoons of ricotta cheese there. And now try to get these together, blend in. And you also can add a tablespoon of sugar, not too much. Mix them all in, the flour, the liquid, and then make it into the ball and then drop into the deep fry, and we're done. That's it. This is your donut holes formula. It's really tasty. Don't have to do anything much, just like that. Can get a little hole ready, do like that. We can sprinkle a little bit of sesame seed on it. Put a donut to fry in a little bit bigger pan. I'm going to turn it low to medium heat. Here your cinnamon ricotta cheese donut with extra cinnamon sugar.